I'm excited because I came in and I found this cookie on my flannel board. Doesn't it look delicious? I think so too. This song we're going to sing about cookies is called "Oh, Looky, Looky, a Yummy Cookie." And we're going to do some baking movements. If you've ever baked cookies, you might know that you pour and you stir, and sometimes you roll out the dough. So you can choose whatever kind of baking movements you want to do when we sing about baking. And we'll see if we can make some more cookies. Shall we sing it? It goes like this. One delicious cookie in the cookie store. One is not enough, we want some more. Along comes a baker, and oh, looky, looky, that baker mixed some cookie dough and baked another cookie. Oh, yay! So now we don't just have one anymore, we've got 1, 2, pink and purple. Looks like they have frosting and sprinkles on top. Oh, ho, ho. But no. Is 2 enough? We need some more, don't we? Yes. 2 delicious cookies in the cookie store. 2 is not enough. We want some more. Along comes a baker, and oh, looky, looky, that baker mixed some cookie dough and baked another cookie. Oh, thank you. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Is that enough? No? We want some more? Okay. 3 delicious cookies in the cookie store. 3 is not enough. We want some more. Along comes a baker, and oh, looky, looky, that baker made some cookie dough and baked another cookie. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is probably enough, isn't it? No? We need some more? Okay. Here we go. 4 delicious cookies in the cookie store. 4 is not enough. We want some more. Along comes a baker, and oh, looky, looky, that baker mixed some cookie dough and baked another cookie. Okay, I think this might be enough. Let's count. If we have 5, that's probably enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have 5. That's enough. 5 delicious cookies in the cookie store. 5 is quite enough. We don't need any more. Along comes the baker, and oh, looky, looky, that baker pours a glass of milk and eats up all the cookies. Nom, 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 nom. Baker, you ate all the cookies. We didn't get any, did we? Oh, you'll share one with us? The pink one? Okay, let's chop it up. Chop, 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 chop. I'll toss it out to you, and you can catch it. Catch it. Take a nibble. Sweet. Perfectly baked. Thank you, Baker. That was kind of you to share. Thanks for rolling and mixing and baking with me, friends. I'll see you next time.